Hi, good evening friends. In this video we will be talking about new investment opportunities in the Unlock 2.0 situation. My name is Arun Anand and I am director and founder of Megabucks, and you can visit my website www.megabucks.co.in and please subscribe to my channel. So friends, in this video we would be talking about the new emerging investment opportunity scenario in the Indian space. So what has changed now? Primarily, let's start with the debt market and then we will cover the equity market. So in the debt market, currently the opportunities for a very conservative client is fixed deposit. Apart from that, he could look at tax-free bonds and other government securities which are absolutely AAA rated and safe. But the best bet would be to currently wait for some more time and maybe for another month or two, and clear picture would emerge in terms of how the loans, how the moratorium and other things are emerging, how the company's results are coming, are things in stress, are the balance sheets of banks and NPA issues resolved, or what would be the total level of stress. So that would give a further course of direction. Until such time, it would be better to be on the shorter end of the debt curve. So it could be liquid funds or liquid plus funds or maybe ultra short term funds. And to top it all, you can also do some government securities like tax free bonds and maybe bank FDs for the time being. Now coming to equity mutual funds, because equity also is another part which we want to look at. A lot of people had asked me what to do on the equity side. So best bet would be to right now not time the market, and let's say if you have 100 rupees to invest, maybe 10 or 20 rupees could be invested right now directly into equity by buying large cap portfolios in equity mutual funds, and then maybe wait for another opportunity. Let's say if the market comes down, because it's a pendulum market currently, we don't know which direction it will go. Either it could go up to 11,000 levels or also it could come down on the other side. So at any dip, another 10 or 20% could be deployed, and the remaining 50 or 60% could be gradually put once the clear trends emerge over the next 3 to 6 months. And if somebody is really interested, he could also do stocks, but then you should have that appetite for negative risk also. So equity is for those people who are really interested to enter the equity market and who are saying, if I have to take risk in debt, so why not take that same risk in equity? So for those people, yes, equity is there, but do not time the market, because markets do not give opportunities to those people who keep waiting, and it would be better to deploy money in a staggered formation. Thank you very much, stay safe, and thanks for watching this video. Take care.